our world, as we are actively developing emerging green environment-friendly industries, we need to properly deal with high concentration organic wastewater coming from such industries as coking, dyes, pesticides, and petrochemicals. So platinum-based heterogeneous platinum ruthenium catalyst and the green low-carbon CWAL technology can get rid of this organic carbon and ammonia nitrogen compounds at the same time, represent some sort of highly efficient solution that's capable of achieving sustainable development. Our next speaker is General Manager of Suzhou Yibai. His name is Mr. Zhengju Zhu. He's going to talk about VOC catalyst industrialization. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm so glad to have the chance to attend the event on the sidelines of 2022 S2BW. My name is Zhu Zhengju. I'm from Suzhou Yibai company. I'm going to talk about our company's research results in VOC catalysts. I'm going to cover 4 things. First, I'm going to give a brief introduction of my company. My company was founded in 2019. We focus on the dealing with industrial tailpipe and live waste gas. So we have our own R&D lab and we have our own assembly. Based on the recognition of the R&D results of our company, Anglo America reached an investment agreement, and in 2020 and 2021 for 2 times invested in the equity sharing of our company, representing Anglo America's first attempt to establish a joint venture in China, and also represents the company's strategic arrangement achieving sustainable value via environmentally friendly projects. Thanks to their investment, we accelerated growth, and in 2021 we won some angel fund from Suzhou Gusu district. Mainly we focus on 2 areas. The first is VOC purification of industrial waste gas. VOC, when they're emitted to the air, will generate multiple hazards, including chemical fogs. China's emissions of VOC keeps increasing. As of 2021, it was around 35 million tons, so it's a high time that we deal with them. In terms of the market prospect, there are policy and market-driven factors. As a result, the market has huge prospects, and we expect the market to exceed 300 billion RMB in 2022. And in the meantime, as people's living standard improve, they want better garbage transmission stations and garbage cabins. Currently, usually these garbage treatment places do not have any treatment facilities, so you always smell odor from these places, and there are always the proliferation of bacteria and other types of or pests. So in recent years, China at the national and the local government level have seen the issuance and promulgation of multiple regulations regarding the health conditions in urban and in rural areas. As a result, the market is just very huge. Out of all the various technologies dealing with such emissions, VOC or photocatalytic technology has such advantages being clean, efficient. It requires simple installations of facilities, and the OPEX is very low. In 2018, the market was worth 28 billion RMB, and every year CAGR-wise from 2019 to 2022, it was 10%. So the logic is that it quickly deals with the VOC molecules. So the high-performance catalyst is key to the photocatalytic technologies. However, there are thousands of VOCs with different molecules. As a result, there is no cure-all photocatalyst. So the key is to have customized, highly efficient photocatalyst targeting different industries. The technical difficulty lies in how to do controlled preparation and tuning of the microstructure of the photocatalyst nanoparticles, while gaseous phase represent highly efficient methodology with various means to do tuning of the microstructure of nanoparticles with various possibilities. However, the gas phase synthesis is mostly in the hands of multinationals in China, lags behind. So based on the market prospect and the technical difficulties, we relied upon the patent technology from East China University of Science, and we have our unique gas phase burning technique. As a result, we are able to do precise structure, formulation, and tuning. So basically, those clusters are embedded on the surface of the titanium dioxide nanoparticles with particle size of less than 1 nanometers, as they have strong coupling effect and they have unique transmission pathway. As a result, they can reduce the width of the energy belt and the intensity of the torrent increased 2 to 3 times. No other company inside China is able to achieve industrial application of the catalyst of gaseous phase inflammation. In other words, our company is a leading one in this respect. In terms of our industrial processes, we also did preparation of a number of coupling photocatalysts with different components and composition of precious metal. We also added ionized copolymers on the surface in order to achieve in order to produce further products. And we have 3 main categories of products. We also have integrated machines, and we apply it to such machines to effectively improve the catalytic efficiency while lowering the cost of operation. In the early test phase, we got universal recognition from our customers. Our products has extensive applications in packaging, printing, chemical, the spraying of paint, and fabrication, textile industry, as well as pharmaceutical industries. In terms of deodorization, they can be used in sewage pumping or in garbage station, at home or in lab. We can do customized development and production. The production process is continuous with various ways of tuning with no emissions of industrial waste. Compared with existing product, our product is able to be applied to the integrated devices at affordable cost and stable performance. The overall operational cost is low and is capable of being used in customized use scenarios. So now I'd like to give you a few use cases. It was in the first use case, it was used to deal with benzene VOCs in Shanghai in a container manufacturer's paint spraying factory. So our product is used to do the purification, and according to the monitoring results, the purification performance is related to the concentration of benzene molecules. When it's medium to low concentration, the performance of our product is better. And we also find that the stability is also very good. And the second use case, we actually supply our product to some manufacturer of chlorinated raw materials and chemical products. As in the process of production, chlorine containing VOCs will be generated in huge amounts that cannot be dealt with in traditional means. So we did some customized development, and we developed customized precious metal-based coupled photocatalyst. Firstly, in small size in lab, and gradually we did some pilot run. And after applying our product, these VOCs containing chlorine basically completely disappeared. So gradually, we together with the manufacturer developed 32,000 scale, large-scale equipment. And according to some authoritative agency, the efficiency of dealing with this VOC reaches 90%. In the third case, we helped our client that is a manufacturer of some chemical compound to add sweet to the food, and the efficiency is 90%. Lithium-ion batteries, thriving industry of the past couple of years. The membrane in the process of production uses a lot of extract of methane chloride. So in the process of production, every day one assembly line emits about or over 100 kilograms of such waste. So for this, we firstly in the lab developed customized photosynthesis and photocatalyst, and gradually we laid down specific production facilities and assembly lines with a purification efficiency reaching above 90%. And in home or in daily life scenarios, for the garbage cabin, we'll achieve almost 100% purification effect. And we also developed customized smaller vertical devices that come in small size. They occupy a very small area, so customers really like our products. We also developed products that have better treatment capabilities that are already used in Shanghai in some waste treatment center, as well as in the underground of some department store in Shanghai. So on the whole, the market is large at 10 billion RMB size. We can provide customized product with advanced properties. We're able to do customized development for specific segments, and our goal is to promote the application of precious metal environmental industry. Our goal is for environment, for future. Many thanks to Anglo America for support, and also I would like to thank Gu Wu from Shanghai for the long-term support, and many thanks to research team and our partner companies. Thank you very much.